Ever since the COVID-19 pandemic began, thousands of health workers have succumbed to the virus after they contracted the virus while treating patients. In several cases, health workers administered to perform COVID-19 tests have also contracted the virus from the patients. A testing device installed in Latvia prevents the risk of health workers performing COVID-19 tests contracting the virus. The device is like a vending machine that performs COVID-19 tests. It has been installed outside a hospital in Riga, Latvia. The COVID-19 testing vending machine is said to be the first of its kind in the world, and it has been designed to protect health workers. The machine installed at the Paul Stradens Clinical University Hospital uses the PCR test method. In PCR test method, swab samples of throat and nose are collected, and samples collected are tested using genetic code or RNA of the virus. Majority of the tests performed globally use the same method. The collected swab samples are stored inside the vending machine, and a technician collects samples at the end of the day. People who want to take the test have to purchase a swab test and have to place samples inside the machine. Currently, the government is paying for the tests conducted using vending machines at Riga's hospital, and people who want to take tests on their own have to pay $64 for testing. The machines will not only be used for the COVID-19 test, but in the future, it will be used to store other drugs and prescriptions as well. Test results are made available to people 24 hours after the swabs are collected. Didzi Gavas of the eGulbia lab says that the device removes the need for 2 to 5 medical workers and eliminates any risk of infection to health workers. According to reports, 100 such COVID-19 testing machines will be installed across Latvia. Latvia had vending machines for disposable face masks at railway stations even before COVID-19 testing vending machines were installed. There is a sharp increase in COVID-19 tests in the Baltic state because of a sudden rise in COVID-19 cases. Latvia has reported 25,046 COVID-19 cases and 324 people have succumbed to the virus. Most of the countries have now started vaccinating people for COVID-19, and this test vending machine is likely to help people in the vaccinating process as well.